Today we're going to be installing our Tundra Crew Max long box in this 2014 Limited. What this box is, it's a under-seat storage box that will lock, and it'll go in this area here and be totally out of sight from peering eyes when the seats are down. And we're just cutting out the foam that goes underneath the seat right at this point, and then once we're done with that, we'll be removing these seat rails.
So with the new brackets, it just slides right under and bolts in.
That's it. Easy, easy, easy.
So as you can see now, the carpet's in the bottom of the box. It's a little crude, but it definitely will do the trick as far as being able to give a little bit of padding for whatever you're carrying in the back. All right, guys, so the install is in, the ESP box is in. I've been running around with it now for about 2 weeks. There is zero additional noise in the cabin, despite the long styrofoam portion that was cut out under the box so that the box could slide into the floor of the truck. The lid doesn't rattle when you're driving around. There is a rubberized gasket that's along the inside here, so it keeps it quiet. Plus, the back of the seat also helps with probably just the slightest amount of down pressure. The lock itself is very good. The keys are not cheap. You never feel like you're going to bend the key or feel like it's getting hung up on anything like that. So again, completely satisfied with this product. You could use this for anything, whether it's survival gear, bug out gear, first aid equipment, bank deposits, whatever it is that you would need a secure box for. This could do it. I know a lot of guys put their firearms in here on the way to the range, but again, this box is very, very durable, heavy duty, good locking mechanism. You can hear when it closes, it hits that rubber so it doesn't slam down. And again, no road vibration whatsoever. So again, very happy with this box. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And definitely, if you're looking for an under-seat lockbox like this is definitely the solution for you. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.